Hi everybody, in this LYNX Whiteboard training video we're going to look at text boxes. On the main toolbar at the bottom of the screen you will see the T symbol that stands for text boxes, and when I click on that it doesn't appear to do anything other than put a little arrow. But if I click on the screen somewhere I can start typing with my first text box. There's text box 1 and it's picked a font for me. But how did it know how to do that? So if I click on the T again and click a second time, you can see those are the default fonts that have been set. If I want to change those, I can click on the settings cog here and it takes us to the font section of our options, and I've got my 1, 2, 3 fonts. I also have the text recognition pen font that I can pick too, but for text boxes it's these 3. Let's change the first one. I'm going to click here to see all of the fonts on my device, so I can pick a totally different font. I'm going to go for lemon and we will switch it to yellow as soon as we've gone for lemon, and I don't want it italic or underlined, but I would like it to be a bit bolder. I can also choose the size of the font when it first comes on the screen. If we go back now and we click on the text boxes again, we can see there's my new font, so I can click on the screen and I can write text box 2. Put that there. If I click on there a second time, I can pick another and we can have text box 3. So those are 3 fonts, but how do we change them? So underneath any text box will come the toolbar with the specific tools for text boxes. So if we have a look at text box 3 here, you can see that I can use the crosshairs to move it around. I also have the AI assistant if we're a LYNX Pro user. So please watch my LYNX Pro user to learn how to, my LYNX Pro video to learn how to change text boxes. But for the tools linked to these text boxes, if I don't want to change them with AI, first of all I have the text color, and I can change that with the color wheel as well. See the text changing a lot there as I mess around with it. Or we've got the default colors here, or we can even have a hex code color if you know a certain hex code. I can also even use a pipette, so I might really like this pink up here. So there we are, we've changed the text into that pink color. Now we can also mess around with the background of the text box, so I can pick a color that will go there. And then lastly, here are all the kind of font tools you would expect, such as being able to make the text bold or italic, underline it or take the underline away in this case, make it centralized and make it larger or smaller. There's a box to do that as well, so I can quickly make it a lot bigger. And we have some other options too, such as being able to do strike through or turn your text box into bullet points. Now my text box has got a bit messed up there, so I can use the node here at the side to give the text box more width, or the one in the corner to enlarge it easily that way. If I'm on a touch screen I can just manipulate it any way I like, and the joystick is great for rotating, but also if I double click on the joystick it will straighten up the text box as well. So those are where the text boxes are and how to manipulate them. Happy creating!